Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Cricut Maker 3 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful cutting machines available for crafters today, offering an unparalleled ability to bring your creative visions to life with precision and speed. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just beginning your crafting journey, this machine opens up a world of possibilities, from intricate paper crafts and custom apparel to personalized home decor and unique gifts. Its advanced features and compatibility with a vast array of materials make it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to elevate their crafting game and produce professional quality results right from their own home. Number 5. Cricut EasyPress 2 Heat Press, 9x9 in. Achieve professional heat transfer results with ease. It combines the speed of a heat press with the simplicity of an iron for a stress-free experience. Take on any project with confidence. You can precisely control the temperature up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for perfect results every time. Get started quickly with its advanced heat plate design. It heats up in under 2 minutes, allowing you to complete even intricate prints rapidly. This tool is designed for your safety and convenience. It's lightweight, easy to store, and features an insulated safety base with auto-off for peace of mind. Rest assured with its safety certifications. It conforms to applicable product standards and is listed or certified by nationally recognized testing labs. What we like? This is a fantastic option for anyone looking to achieve professional-looking heat transfers with ease. If you're tired of inconsistent results from an iron and want speed and precision, this is for you. It's ideal for crafters who frequently work on apparel, tote bags, or other fabric items and value safety and efficiency. What people say? The temperature controls are accurate, it heats up quickly, and it distributes heat evenly, which makes a huge difference in getting clean, long-lasting results. It's super easy to use and very effective. Not difficult or time-consuming to set up. The timer means you don't have to watch a clock or use your cell phone timer. Heats up fast and has consistent heat. Beeps when done. Minimal pressure required. Number 4. Cricut Joy Smart Cutting Machine. Meet the Cricut Joy, the compact smart cutting machine designed for effortless personalization. It's your perfect partner for bringing all your DIY ideas to life, no matter where you are. This versatile machine makes it simple to cut and write on a wide range of materials. From iron-on to vinyl and paper, it handles over 50 different options with precision. Experience the freedom of super long cuts without needing a mat. Create individual shapes up to 4 feet or repeat designs up to 20 feet with ease. Unleash your creativity by drawing any shape or writing in various styles. It's perfect for adding a personal touch to cards, labels, and crafts. Its small size means it fits perfectly in any space and packs away easily. Setup is instant, so you can start creating whenever inspiration strikes. Connect wirelessly via Bluetooth to your favorite devices, including iOS, Android, Windows, and Mac. Design your projects using the intuitive Design Space software. What we like? If you need a small but mighty cutting machine for quick projects and personalization on the go, this is your best bet. It's perfect for creating labels, cards, and small crafts, especially if you have limited space or want a machine that's easy to set up and put away. Those who love to add custom touches to everyday items will find it incredibly useful. What people say? The Cricut Explore Air 2 is a fantastic machine for crafters of all levels. It's easy to set up and use, and the software is intuitive. I've made everything from vinyl decals to custom t-shirts, and the results have been amazing. I love my Cricut Maker. It cuts through a variety of materials with ease, including fabric, leather, and wood. The scoring tool is also a game changer for creating intricate folds and designs. Highly recommend for anyone looking to take their crafting to the next level. Number 3. Cricut Mug Press. Get the mug of your dreams with this pro-level press. It transforms mug blanks into works of art with designs that last forever. Turn a simple mug blank into an unforgettable gift. It's perfect for friends, family, and the ones you love. Its patent-pending heat plate with zone heating ensures consistent, peel-proof, and dishwasher-safe results. Use it with infusible ink products for endless creativity. This unique heat press is an ideal companion for all Cricut smart cutting machines. Enjoy a worry-free experience with its auto-off safety feature. Rest assured, this product conforms with applicable safety standards. It is listed or certified by nationally recognized testing labs for your peace of mind. What we like. For those who dream of creating custom mugs that truly stand out, this is the perfect tool. If you're looking to make personalized gifts or unique drinkware with vibrant, permanent designs, you should definitely consider this. It's ideal for anyone who loves infusible ink projects and wants professional, durable results on ceramic blanks. What people say. The cups look amazing, much better than I expected for being my first time to sublimate mugs. The machine and the mugs are all very nice quality and work very well. The compact size of the machine allows me to place it anywhere. I have not had any issues with heat levels and the machine is silent. My customers are always satisfied with the final product. Product purchase to start a small sublimation business, so far as working as should be do it. The heat level is perfect for the blank mug we are using. The machine is built in excellent material, looks strong and very durable. When you close the lid, the machine apply the right pressure to the mug. The excellent picture printed in the mug is proof of that. Very functional for mugs 11 or 12 ounce capacity. And the time to get done is relatively quick. Number 2. Cricut Explore 3 Smart Cutting Machine. Meet the Cricut Explore 3, your ultimate creative companion. It's designed to bring your ideas to life with incredible precision and versatility. Effortlessly work with over 100 different materials, from vinyl and iron-on to cardstock. Whatever your project demands, it can handle it. Achieve flawless results every time. It cuts even the most intricate designs with remarkable accuracy, ensuring your creations look professional. This machine does more than just cut. It can also write, draw, foil, score, and so much more, expanding your crafting possibilities. Bring your full-color designs to life with the Print Then Cut feature. Simply print your design on your home inkjet printer and let it do the rest. Get started right away with the free and user-friendly Design Space app. It makes designing and creating simple for everyone. What we like. This machine is a powerhouse for serious crafters who want to do it all. If you're looking for a machine that can handle a vast array of materials and perform multiple functions like writing, scoring, and foiling, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want to take their DIY projects to the next level with intricate designs and complex cuts. What people say. The Cricut Maker 3 is a versatile machine that can cut a wide range of materials, from delicate paper to tough fabrics. The Design Space software is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to create custom designs or use pre-made templates. The machine's speed and precision allow for intricate cuts and detailed designs, perfect for professional-looking crafts. Number 1. Cricut Premium Fine Point Replacement Blade. Introducing the Cricut Premium Fine Point Replacement Blade. It's designed for precision cutting, allowing you to create intricate designs with ease for all your crafting needs. Crafted from hard and durable German carbide steel, this blade offers lasting sharpness. Its improved design ensures it can handle a variety of light to mid-weight materials for extended use. This premium blade is fully compatible with your Cricut Maker and Explore series machines. Simply insert it and start cutting your favorite designs to apply them anywhere. Effortlessly cut through materials like cardstock, vinyl, iron-on, poster board, and even lightweight fabrics. The number of cuts you can achieve will vary based on the material used. Make your DIY projects fun, simple, and quick with our accessories. Fuel your creative fire and bring your beautiful craft ideas to life right at home. What we like. If you own a compatible Cricut machine and need a reliable blade for detailed cuts, this is the one to get. For crafters who frequently work with materials like vinyl, iron-on, or cardstock and want a blade that maintains its sharpness for extended use, this premium option is ideal. It ensures clean, precise cuts for all your personalized projects. What people say. The Cricut Explore Air 2 is a fantastic machine for crafters of all levels. It cuts a wide variety of materials with precision, from vinyl and cardstock to fabric and leather. The Design Space software is intuitive and offers a vast library of images and fonts, making it easy to create custom projects. The machine is also relatively fast, allowing you to complete projects in a timely manner. I love my Cricut Maker. It's incredibly versatile and can handle intricate cuts with ease. The adaptive tool system is a game changer, allowing you to switch between different tools like the rotary blade, scoring wheel, and engraving tip seamlessly. This opens up a world of possibilities for different crafts, from sewing projects to intricate paper crafts. The Cricut Joy is perfect for small, quick projects. It's compact and easy to set up, making it ideal for on-the-go crafting or for those with limited space. Despite its small size, it cuts precisely and can handle materials like vinyl, iron-on, and cardstock. The companion app is user-friendly and great for creating personalized gifts and labels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.